Good morning. If there's one conversation that I hear over and over and over again, one sales challenge that I get, not just last week, but all summer, all spring, all last winter, and ever since COVID, I guess, it's I can't get anybody on the phone. I can't get appointments. No one returns my call. No one replies to my voicemail. No one replies to my email. Where is everybody? This is number one on every sales rep's mind by far, not to mention selling owners and all of the clients that I've got that I'm either coaching or in the Sales Vault. This is number one. My belief is that you can get a phone call. My belief is that you will make a connection. It's not them. It's the quality of your sales call. So listen to these two calls. If you're calling up and saying, hey, my name is Bill, I understand you're the person who does the buying, I can save you a lot of money. Here's my telephone number. I'll try you again, but I'd love to hear from you in the meantime. You compare that with, hi, my name is Bill, and I understand that you've got a trade show coming up. I can help you to make that trade show a huge success. Here's my telephone number. Love to talk to you. Love to sit down sometime. Thanks. There's a huge difference. It's not even subtle. In the first call, it's a product or service-based conversation that the rep's going to get into. That can only end one way. What's your price? The second one is a solutions-based. The second one is, I understand what you're trying to do. I understand what you're thinking. I can help with that. The difference between those two things is the single most important skill a sales rep can have. And if there was only one thing that I could teach, this would be it. The ability to improve the quality of the sales call. This is what separates the price-based sale with the solutions-based sale, the profitable sale. And this is the muscle group, the skill set that is no longer optional. It is now mandatory. And without this, you will just have to keep calling and calling and calling. But if you've got something of value to say, because you've done your homework, and that's the skill. If you've done your homework, then you're in a totally different league. Improve the quality of your sales call. You will improve the odds of getting through. You might even add, by the way, something at the end of your call that says, if you see the number that ends 7036 on your caller ID, pick up, that's me. Cute little ending to it. But make sure you've got something of value to say, something powerful. By the way, for my Sales Vault customers, the pre-call research, which is the workshop that's tied to this sales tip, the replay is available if you go to the replay section of the Vault. For the rest of you, why are you not Vault members? Go to SalesVault.pro, or if you're a regional print affiliate member or an ISA member, International Sign Associations, go to SalesVault.pro/partners. I hope you have a great selling week, everyone. I'll talk to you next Monday.